Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to walk you through how to grow your Instagram account with collaborations. So here are a few things to know. Collaborations are a fantastic way to expand your reach and grow your Instagram account. Here's a breakdown of how to leverage collaborations effectively. 1. Identify the right collaboration partners. Niche alignment. Partners with accounts that share a similar niche or target audience. This ensures that the collaboration is relevant to both your followers and theirs. Complementary content. Look for accounts that offer content that complements your own. This creates a mutual beneficial exchange of value. Engagement and authenticity. Prioritize accounts with genuine engagement and a strong, authentic presence. Avoid accounts with fake followers or low engagement rates. Account size. Consider collaborating with accounts that have a similar follow count to yours. This creates a more balanced exchange. However, do not be afraid to reach out to accounts that are larger if you have something of value to offer. Shared values. Make sure that the account you're collaborating with has similar values to your own. 2. Plan your collaboration strategy. Define your goals. What do you want to achieve through this collaboration? Increase followers, boost engagement, or drive traffic to your website? Choose a collaboration format. Shoutouts. Each account promotes the other in their stories or posts. Content swaps. Create a content for each other's content. Create content for each other's accounts. Live collaboration. Host a live Q&A or discussion together. Views collaboration. Create a view together using the collaborate feature. Giveaways. Partner on a giveaway to attract new followers. Takeovers. One account takes over the other's account for a period of time. Create engaging content. Ensure the collaboration content is high quality and relevant to both audiences. Use eye-catching visuals and compelling captions. Promote the collaboration. Share the collaboration content across all your platforms. Use relevant hashtags to increase visibility. Number 3. Execute and track your results. Clear communication. Maintain clear and consistent communication with your collaboration partner. Establish clear expectations and timelines. Track your metrics. Monitor your followers' growth, engagement, rates, and website traffic. Use Instagram Insights and other analytic tools to track your results. Evaluate and refine. Analyze your collaboration's performance and identify areas for improvement. Use the data to refine your future collaboration strategies. Number 4. Build and maintain relationships. You need to nurture partnerships. Build long-term relationships with successful collaboration partners. Collaborate on future projects. You need to show appreciation. Express gratitude to your collaboration partners for their efforts. Acknowledge their contributions publicly. Key tips. Be proactive. Reach out to potential collaboration partners and pitch your ideas. Offer values. Provide something of value to your collaboration partners. Be authentic. Maintain a genuine and authentic presence throughout the collaboration. Use the collaborate feature. When creating reels, use the Instagram collaborate feature. This will share the reel to both accounts. By following these tips, you can leverage collaborations to effectively grow your Instagram account and build a thriving community.